Inside Santa's cozy workshop, the elves buzz with excitement. Toys, ribbons, and colorful wrapping paper fill every corner. Santa laughs his big, jolly laugh as he checks each gift, making sure every child's Christmas wish is ready for the big night. As the sun sets, soft snowflakes drift past the windows. Santa ties up his giant red sack of presents, gives the elves a cheerful wink, and heads toward the door. The magic of Christmas Eve is about to begin. Outside, the sleigh sparkles under the moonlit sky. The reindeer paw at the snow, eager to fly. Santa pats the sleigh proudly, adjusts his gloves, and gets ready for the journey of the year. With a joyful shout and a crackle of Christmas magic, the sleigh glides forward, then lifts from the snow. The reindeer leap into the starry sky, leaving a glowing trail of sparkling snow behind. High above the rooftops, Santa steers his sleigh toward the glowing moon. The workshop twinkles below, warm and bright. And with a hearty laugh, Santa disappears into the night, ready to deliver Christmas joy to the world.